Wait, I'm going to tell you something most artists won't say when painting. While you're watching this, I'll be breaking down not just what you're seeing, but how to actually improve your painting technique at a professional level. Big credit to the artist for this demonstration. Now at first glance, this just looks like a simple painted leg. But don't be fooled. Realism is never about what you see first. It's about how it's constructed underneath. And this is where most beginners go wrong. They chase detail too early. But if you look closely here, the artist is building everything through value first, meaning light and shadow before anything else. That's the foundation of every realistic painting. Now notice how the shadows behave. They don't sit flat. They wrap around the leg. That tells you the artist understands form, not just outline drawing. And here's something important. If your paintings ever look flat, it's usually because your values are too similar. You need stronger contrast between light areas and deep shadows to create depth. While watching this, also pay attention to the color temperature. Skin is never one flat tone. There are warm highlights, cooler shadows, and subtle transitions between them. That mixture is what tricks the eye into believing what it's seeing. Now let's go deeper. See the brushwork direction? It follows the natural flow of the leg. This is a technique called following form. Instead of painting randomly, your strokes should describe the structure of what you're painting. Another key point, edges. Not every edge should be sharp. In realism, you need a balance. Hard edges bring focus, while soft edges create realism and atmosphere. If everything is sharp, your painting starts to look artificial. Now here's a professional tip most artists learn late. Control your detail hierarchy. You don't need equal detail everywhere. The artist here focuses attention on specific areas while letting other parts stay soft. That's how you guide the viewers without saying a word. And if you want to improve your painting in general, here are core fundamentals you should always practice. Study value scales. Learn to see light without color. Do grayscale studies before adding color. Practice edge control exercises, painting the same object with different edge softness. And most importantly, observe real life more than reference images. Because understanding how light behaves in reality is what separates beginners from advanced artists. So while you're watching this, remember this isn't just a painting, it's a lesson in construction. Because realism isn't about copying, it's about understanding structure, light, and control, and then rebuilding reality on your canvas.